Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today, not in today's newspaper, no, in today's newspaper, Monday, December the 6th, 2021. I've already told you we have only one regular Sudoku medium, and we have no additional, no additional, no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the edition of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, December the 1st, 2021. We have 3 puzzles left in this additional. Um, the letter Sudoku we have here, the 2-star Sudoku, and a tectonic with 1 star. Because the additional of Saturday, I've already solved that additional. And Friday, we have no extra puzzles, no additional, so I have solve the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition. And now, again, no additional. So I will solve the rest of the puzzle of the Wednesday edition. Yes, the Wednesday edition, December the 1st. Yes. But first, we have here a letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number 3787. Yeah. 3787. And before I start, I always count a printed, not digit, but those are letters. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed letters. If you compare with the digits and the letters, well, for the letters I need more time than with the letters. With the digits. With the digits, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, the letter Sudoku, 15 to 20 minutes I need for solving these kind of puzzles. And the letter Sudoku, we have 9 selected letters. Those letters are the K, the I, the N, the J, the E, the O, the B, the M, and the D. And the goal is to find this word in the first column. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which letter can I pick. How about the letter? The letter. Yeah. Which letter can I pick? Yeah. Let me scan. We have a J in this column, the J in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the J should be here or there. We see there J, no J there. J should be here. Alright. We have a D in the last row, the D in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the D should be there. D in this column, D in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the D should be there. D in the first row, D in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the D should be here or there. We see there D, no D there, D should be there. D in the first column, D in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the D should be here or there. We see there D, no D there, D should be there. D in this row, D in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the D should be here, or there. We see there D, no D there. Here another D, so no D here. Only place for the D should be here. Alright. Okay. And all the D's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter D. Okay. Alright. How about these 3 missing letters? Those missing letters in this big square are the letters. The K is missing, the M is missing, and the O is missing. K-O-M. K-O-M. Look, we have a K and M in the third row, so no K and M in this box. The K and a no. We already have an M. It's the K, the O, and the B. K-O-B. K-O-B. We have a K and a B in the third row, so no K and a B in this box. The K and a B goes in those two boxes as a pair. KB. So one letter is missing in this big square for the letter O. Alright. Uh-huh. We have. Let me see what we have here. MM. BB. 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the B. We see here B, no B in these 3 boxes. Here B in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no B in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the B. Should be there. B in the last row, B in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the B should be here or there. We see there B, no B there. B should be there. Then, let me see. I'm thinking. How about? We have an M in this column, M in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the M should be there. 4 missing numbers, letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the M. We have an M here, so no M in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the M should be there. M in this column, M in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places for the M should be here, here, or there. We see there M, no M there. Here an M, no M there. The only place for the M should be there. Alright, and now I cannot continue with the M. Let me choose another letter. We have a E in this column, E in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the E should be there. Then. Yeah. Yeah, 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters K is missing and the N is missing. KN. We have an N there, no N there. N should be here and a K should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the letter O is missing. O. Okay. 2 missing letters in this column. For the letters B is missing and the O is missing. B and O. We have a B there, no B there. B should be here and the O goes there. Alright. So we have an N in this row. N in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the N should be here or there. We see here an N, no N there. N should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters I is missing. And the K is missing. I and a K. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and a K should be there. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a K. We have a K there, no K in these two boxes. Here, K, no K in those two boxes. One box left for the K. Shoot me there. K in this row, K in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places for the K should be here or there. You see there, K, no K there, K should be here. K in the third column, K in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the K should be here or there. You see there, K, no K there, K should be here. And I cannot continue with the K. Well. Two missing letters in this row. For the letters, O is missing and I is missing. I. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the O goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. Yeah. Two missing letters in this big square. For the letters, E is missing and the N is missing. E and N, E and N. We have an N there, no N there. N should be here and the E goes there. Okay. Yeah. Three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an E. We have an E there, so no E there. Here an E, no E there. The only place for the E should be there. Two missing letters in this big square. For the letters, I is missing and the J is missing. I and the J. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the J goes there. One box left in this row for the letter J. Two missing letters in the last column for the letters I and the J again. I and the J. We have a J there, no J there. J should be here and the I goes there. So we have a J in this row, first row, J in the second row, so the third row, the only place for the J should be there. Then, two missing letters in this column for the letters E is missing and the N is missing. E and the N. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here and the N goes there. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. K is missing and the O is missing. Let me mark those two letters. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these two missing letters in this row? M is missing and the E is missing. M and the E. We have an M there, no M there. M should be here and the E goes there. So we have E in the first column, E in the second column. So the third column, the only two places for the E should be here or there. We see an E, no E there. E should be here. K. No. How about M? Yes. M in the third column. M in the first column. So in the column between the second column. The only two places for the M should be here or there. We see there an M, no M there. M should be there. I know the M's are used. I can see letter number 2, letter M. Two missing letters in the third column. Those missing letters are the J is missing and the O is missing. J and the O. We have a J there. No J there. J should be here. And the O goes there. Now we have an O there. So this box can be O anymore. That box should be an O. And this box should be a K. Now we have a K here. So this box can be K anymore. That box should be a K. And this box should be a B. One box left in the first row for the letter. O is missing. No. Here we have the O. B. I believe the B is missing here. Yeah, the B. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. B is missing and the O is missing. B and O. We have a B there. No B there. B should be here. And O goes there. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. O is missing. And the N is missing. O and the N. We have O there, no O there. O should be here, and the N goes there. And the final two numbers, letters. Correction, letters in this big square. For the letters, I is missing. And the N is missing. I and the N, we have an N there, no N there. N should be here, and the I goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Told you, 15 to 20 minutes. I need to solve a letter Sudoku. And the word is in Dutch, bijkomend. Bijkomend. If you translate this in English, additional. Additional, yes. Alright. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will continue later in a minute with the second puzzle. A 2 stars puzzle. 2 stars Sudoku it will be. So until then, bye bye for now.